Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Django project and creating a virtual environment in VS Code. So let's get started. So first of all, I'll open my Finder where I want to create my project. So in this directory, I want to create my Django project. So I'll right click on it, click on this new terminal at folder. So it will basically open my terminal. So I'll just make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see it properly. Alright, so in the terminal section I'll just check whether Python is installed by checking the Python version. So Python 3 hyphen version, and about Django as well. So to check whether Django is installed or not, Django admin version, this is the command. So it will basically return you the version of your Django. All right, to install, if you don't have a Django already installed on your site, you can install it by using this command, pip install Django. So it will automatically start downloading Django libraries to your system, but I already have it, so that is why it is returning the requirement already satisfied. All right, so okay, to create a project in Django, we just have to fire one command. That's it. It will automatically create a project. So the command is Django admin start project demo, then the name of my project, demo project. So this is my custom name. So this is my custom name, demo project. It will create a project by this name. So Django admin start project demo project. Okay, so I think I'm missing something. Demo, let's say demo underscore project. Yeah, it created the project. So I think something wrong with the hyphen, so we have to pass underscore. All right, let's just check the Finder. Yeah, as you can see, it will automatically create this folder. So this is my actual project name, the demo underscore project. Inside this I have manage.py file as well as this my project with the project directory, and inside the directory I have few files. All right, so we have to open this folder in from our VS Code. All right, so I'll open my project from here. Yeah. So over here the manage.py file is pretty important over here, so we can do a pretty much things using this file. So yeah, to start the project I'll use this terminal from here. So first of all, to run the project I will hit this command. So Python manage.py run server. So it is saying that something syntax issue. So to solve this issue we need to create a virtual environment over here. But if I execute the same command from my actual terminal, it will run. So manage.py. okay, I'm in the different directory. Inside this directory I need to open demo. Okay, inside this directory I have this manage.py file. Okay, over here Python manage.py and then server. Okay, so it is saying it is executed properly. I'll copy this URL, paste it over here. See, it is working fine. Okay, it is saying the install worked successfully, congratulations. So this is the by default page from Django. See, let's just stop this. Okay, by you can use Ctrl+C to stop it from your Mac. If I again refresh it, it is saying the site can't be reached. Alright, so but we need to set up the environment. We need to run it from here, from VS Code particularly. To run it from here, we need to create a virtual environment. To create a virtual environment, so as you can see, there is no other folder than this demo_project. Yeah, I'll create a virtual environment for it. So the query is python -m, then venv, then your name of the virtual environment. I'll give my-venv, and I'll hit enter. What is the issue? No module name venv. Okay, so let's just use Python 3. Yeah, as you can see, it is this folder is created. Now we need to activate this virtual environment, so by using this file. So to use this file, first of all, we are inside this demo project, right? But we need to get inside this folder particularly, then we can access it, or else we can directly set up the path, or we can directly execute source, then my-env, then bin. Inside the bin, you can always hit tab. It will automatically complete the accurate path, we can say. Then activate EC tab. Okay, there's only one file. Okay, and I'll just hit enter. Okay, when you are able to see this option, one sec. Once you are able to see this environment over here, so as you can see, from till here we can only see the base option, but from here we can see my-env, our virtual environment name. So our virtual environment is activated now. All right, so let's just see. Let's try to hit that command, run command. See if I'm using manage then tab, it is automatically completing the command. So all right, then run server. Module not found. Yeah, but before running it, this is a complete separate isolated virtual environment, so we need to install the Django in the virtual environment. Yeah, to install the the Django over here, so we need to fire up this command pip install Django. It will basically install it in your virtual environment. Let's try to run this thing again. So it is executed successfully. Now we can let's try to run it. Paste it, enter. See, it is working fine now. So it is working on your VS Code terminal. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.